Hello guys, here we have the Nokia 2.1, 3.1 and 5.1. All three phones is looking so premium in hand and the best mid-range phone in my opinion. Now Nokia is doing alright and we can say that Nokia is gonna be the killer of Xiaomi, Samsung and others. All have crystal clear screen to body ratio display. Nokia 2.1 comes with audio addiction and Nokia 3.1 and 5.1 comes with 8.0 Oreo with Android One. Nokia 3.1 and 5.1 are come in two variants of RAM and internal storage, 2 GB and 3 GB RAM and 16 GB and 32 GB internal storage. And the main features of Nokia 2.1 is 4000 mAh battery and it comes with 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front camera. Nokia 5.1 has 16 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front camera. Nokia 3.1 has 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front camera. Nokia 2.1 and 5.1 has 5.5 inches Full HD Plus display and Nokia 3.1 has 5.2 inches Full HD Plus display. That is very good features. All the three phones is now 40% faster than the old versions. I tried in everything that same in both the phones, but now it's so modified versions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, share and like.